Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribe button is just down here. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. I would so appreciate that. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and most of my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. Otherwise, let's get started. A while ago, I mentioned that there are some products in the Elizabeth Arden skincare range that I really like, especially the ceramide range. And one of them I'm going to talk about today is here, little ceramide capsules. They call it the Youth Restoring Ceramide Capsules. Well, these are little gems. I'm just going to read out the ingredients to you. You've got your 3 ceramides, ceramide 1, ceramide 3, and ceramide 6Li. So those are the 3 ceramide, recognized ceramide. Have phytosphingosine or sphingosines, ingredients that are all ceramide precursors. They actually encourage your skin to make more ceramides. This thing also has retinol palmitate. This has squalane. This has tocopherol. This has camellia seed oil, coconut oil, so linoleic acid, linolenic acid, your omega-3, your omega-6, so alfalfa extract. Still has got some good stuff in here. The only thing I don't like is the coconut oil. I am not a big fan of coconut oil in skincare because coconut oil actually, from studies, it's proven to be quite clogging. It does clog your pores. Yeah, coconut oil is really does block your pores. So that is the only thing in this product that I don't like. But otherwise, all the other ingredients in this product is brilliant. I'm just going to open one and show you what it looks like. So I just squeeze the top here, and then I just open like this. And I'm just going to show you. Can you see? It's got a very oily texture already. And it's so easy to apply. I'm just going to apply into my hands. So easy to apply, absorb very easily. Yeah, I do love this product by Elizabeth Arden. Ceramides are long-chain fatty acids or lipids. And ceramide is what glue other molecules together. And they form a lipid, a moisture barrier, a protective barrier on our skin. 50% of our skin consists of ceramides. But of course, with sun damage, exposure to sun, and with age, the ceramide in our skin deplete. And when that ceramide deplete, that's when we get a lot of dryness. That's why when people age, the skin tend to be dry, just drier. And when your skin is dry, it becomes more irritated. It lacks elasticity and firmness, and therefore look more wrinkly. So really, that's the chain reaction from lack of ceramide to wrinkles and fine lines. So ceramide is terribly important. In this encapsulated form, it's just protects the product, keeps the product fresh. I mean, you can put this all over your face and your neck, and you can still add a moisturizer on top and just lock in, add that ceramide, which encourages that dewiness, elasticity, and firmness on your skin. And then when you put your moisturizer on top, then just locks in all that goodness for your skin. And you can still have your active ingredients like niacinamide or vitamin C or retinol underneath. So what I do normally is my active ingredients, and then I'll put one of these on top, then my moisturizer and sunscreen. If it is in the evening, then I don't need my sunscreen, of course, because I'm going to bed. But these guys are so easy to use. Really, they're very easy to use, glides on easily, and has all that goodness for your skin. So the price for these things here, I purchased this. That's when I went shopping. So this is the container of 60, and for 60 is here is 158 in New Zealand dollars. For the container of 45 is 112. The container of 90 is 204. I mean, you're talking about using this one a day. So if this one will last me 2 months because you only need one a day. Again, it's not cheap. It's quite pricey. I would spend my money on one of these little gems than on an expensive moisturizer. So there you are. So this is one of those products. I'll just show you. So this is one of those products that I will splash out on Elizabeth Arden because yeah, this product is gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.